Well, good Monday afternoon, Discovery High School freshmen, sophomores, and juniors, as well as our staff. I did a separate video for seniors because there were specific pieces of information that dealt directly with them. So made a separate one for you guys, likewise because there's stuff that pertains primarily to you guys. But happy April 6th. I hope everyone's doing well. And as been customary over the last several weeks, we'll start things off with my dad joke of the day. So here you go. What concert costs just 45 cents? Give up? That would be 50 Cent featuring Nickelback. Congratulations. If you figured that one out on your own, found that one and decided to use it for all the musicians that we have here at the school. Now on to our weekly updates for this week. First, as I've mentioned over the last several weeks, guys, just one, make sure that you're checking your emails daily. Teachers send out important information, not just for class, but I know Miss Arditi sent out a lot of information that's pertaining to things to make sure you're taking care of yourself right now as well in this difficult situation. But also make sure that you're completing your assignments for your classes, guys. And if you've got questions about those, make sure you're reaching out to your teachers for clarification on anything that you need clarifying. In the coming weeks, I will be sending out invitations for you guys to join me in a Zoom meeting. I'm doing those individually just as a way of checking in on you guys to see how you're doing and to see if there's anything that you need, and not just academically, but personally. Again, these are tough times, guys, and we need to know that we've got each other to lean on. So I just like a chance to check in with you, and even though it will not replace the face-to-face interactions I typically am able to have with you here at the school, will give me an opportunity to at least see your face. It's been several weeks since I've done that, and interact with you guys and see if there's specific things that y'all need. On Friday, I'd sent out a remote learning survey to you guys, just get some feedback about how this process has been going over the first 2 weeks that we've been using it. If you've not completed that yet, guys, please do so. It gives us an opportunity to see things from your perspective on what's going well and what's not maybe going so well, some things that we can improve on to help this be as smooth for you guys as possible. Again, it does not replace the face-to-face interactions that we're able to have with you guys within the classroom setting, but we do want to make sure that it's being as beneficial for you guys and that y'all are able to get as much out of it as possible. So your feedback on that survey is very beneficial for us, and I will be compiling your results and sharing that with staff later this week. Really, guys, that's it for you. Just again, know that we care very deeply about you guys and miss you a lot. Please feel free to reach out at any time if you've got something that you need or just need to vent. I'm pretty good at listening to those things as well. But so are your teachers, guys. They care deeply about you as well. And if you need to reach out to any of them for the same things, please feel free to do that. I know they would appreciate that. But do have a good afternoon. Stay safe out there. And again, be on the lookout for a Zoom invitation from me in the next several weeks. I'll finish with our seniors this week. And even though next week's spring break, I may see if there's some of you guys who want to meet then as well, just to, again, just see how everything's going, check in on you and see if you need anything. But love you guys, and have a great afternoon. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.